Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today there is a very good news for all of you because RBI Grade B has finally released the vacancies for 2018. Yes, I repeat, RBI Grade B has finally released the vacancies for 2018. So all those people who were waiting for RBI Grade B to release the notification shall be very happy. In this video, I shall be taking you through with the details of the notification. Along with that, I shall also take you through the course details by EduTap and how can it help you, or how can you leverage the course by EduTap to clear this exam with little ease. So let's start with discussing the details of the notifications, as it shall be very important for you to know that what is there in the notification. So finally, everybody was waiting for this. We were receiving a lot of calls every day that when would the notification come. People were little skeptical that notification might not come this year, but finally it has arrived. And the source is that this has been published in a lot of newspapers. You can see I have taken the screenshot from one of the Hindi newspapers. It says that there would be 127 seats this year for RBI Grade B DR. And this is a very good number. Last year it was around 140, so there is not much difference. And the dates are mentioned as below. 3rd of July the form filling starts and it ends on 23rd of July. Then the exam phase 1 is on 16th of August, which is a weekday. I repeat, this is little different from previous years when phase 1 usually was held on the weekends, but this year they are conducting phase 1 on a weekday. Then the phase 2 would be on 7th of September. Again, there is not much difference as usual between phase 1 and phase 2. There is only 20 days difference. So if you plan to clear this exam, you should start preparation for phase 2 now, because if you wait till clearing phase 1, you will get just 20 days and it is almost impossible to cover the whole syllabus in those 20 days. Now many people would be feeling, is this news authentic? Because there is still no mention about the notification on the RBI website. But let me tell you, this is a very usual process which is followed every year. RBI first releases the notification in the leading newspapers and later on it is published on the website. Now why the notification is not on the website, I have already answered this. And when the notification would be available on the website, the answer is either by tomorrow and then day after tomorrow being Sunday. If it's not published tomorrow, I think by Monday it should be surely on the website. Now since the exam phase 1 is on a weekday, many people are skeptical that this might be a fake news, that because how can the exam can be on a weekday, the phase 1. Yes, this is true that RBI has been conducting phase 1 in the last 3 to 4 years on the weekends, but they have already been conducting the phase 2 on the weekdays. Last year it was on 7th of July, Friday, which was a weekday. So this year they have gone ahead even in phase 1 in conducting it on weekday. So this is nothing very out of the box. If they can conduct phase 2 on a weekday, then why can't they conduct even phase 1 on a weekday? So they have planned to conduct phase 1 on a weekday. Maybe there were some already slots booked on weekends by IBPS and other exams. So the crux is that your phase 1 exam would be on weekday, and this is totally authentic news. There is nothing fake about this, that exam cannot be held on a weekday. Now let me tell you about EduTap. EduTap had produced very good results with respect to RBI Grade B. Last year we had 124 interview calls last year, and from that 27 final selections in RBI Grade B in 2017, which was one of the highest in India. Now what is being offered by EduTap in the course? We are offering a comprehensive course in which we shall give you detailed analysis of past year papers, because we believe that to excel in this exam you need to be very much acquainted with the syllabus and the pattern. The orientation is very necessary. Therefore, the first thing we stress upon is that you see the analysis videos made by us for the past year papers, so that you become comfortable with the fact that what type of preparation you require to clear this exam. Once you have done that, you can start with the preparation. We will give you a comprehensive course covering phase 1, ESI and FM and English. So what shall be covering in phase 1? In phase 1 we shall be giving you 10 full length mock tests, and those mock tests of course would have solutions, but those would not be only textual solutions but video solutions. Then there would be 4,000 questions on general awareness, because GA is very important. It contributes around 80 marks out of 200 in phase 1. Therefore we are covering it, we are covering general awareness comprehensively through 4,000 MCQs, and those MCQs shall have detailed explanations. It would be like one question would be equivalent to around 10 MCQs. And these full-length mock test or general awareness questions would be strictly as per exam pattern, and you will also get to know your All India rank among the students enrolled into our courses, which will give you a picture of where you stand while preparing for RBI Grade B. Then phase 2, static portion FM and ESI. Mainly FM is totally based on static part in the paper, though ESI is little bit oriented towards current affairs. Anyways, we are covering FM and ESI static part through videos, notes and summary sheet. Videos would be interactive videos. There would be a lot of animations, and in between the videos, after a particular concept, there would be concept check that will help you acknowledge the fact that whether you have understood the concept or not. Then there would be notes, because many times seeing the video you are not able to retain some things, but after reading you will be surely able to retain. Notes would be very comprehensive and structured, and notes also there would be concept checks, so that while reading the notes in between you are able to acknowledge whether you are able to understand what we are trying to teach you or not. Then there would be summary sheets, which would be abridged version of notes that will help you in revision actually, because before the exam you will not get much time to revise, so it would be really impossible to read the whole notes again. Therefore the role of summary sheets come in. Then we are also giving summary sheets. Basically now I am listing down the contents which will help you to practice once you have watched the videos and read the notes. Worksheets will help you practice. In worksheets you will be given fill in the blanks, true, false, match the column and MCQs. And then there would be chapter wise MCQs. In chapter wise MCQs we will give you MCQs on each and every chapter. Depending upon the importance, there might be 100 MCQs at the end of the chapter, or there might be 30 to 40 if the chapter is not that important. The questions would be strictly as per RBI Grade B pattern. They would be 1 markers and 2 markers as asked in RBI Grade B, and in every chapter we will also include questions asked from previous year, so that you are able to solve them and gain confidence that if you can solve previous year questions, then you can also perform good in the upcoming exam. Then there would be combined test. After 3-4 chapters there would be combined tests that you can attempt, that will really help you get acquainted with the exam type of environment, because if you attempt chapter wise test you might be remembering everything and you are able to get good marks, but with the help of combined test it will really check how much you are able to retain and what kind of retention things you need to do if you are not able to retain. Then I've told you that we would be providing you videos and MCQs in phase 2 FM and ESI static portion. There would be total of around 120 plus videos and around 5,000 plus MCQs, which is I think more than enough if you do it religiously and with strategic with proper strategy and smart work. I think that is more than enough. Then coming to current affairs in phase 2 are really important. They form backbone of especially the ESI papers. We are covering them comprehensively. We are covering economic survey, budget, Yojana, RBI notifications and circulars, all the important reports like World Development Report, Human Development Report, Global Gender Report, World Investment Report, then all the government schemes, then all the important news on PIB website, then detailed videos on many important topics. There are many happenings on daily basis which are very important in itself, like the PNB fraud happened. So all these important topics we are covering through independent videos where we will give you in-depth knowledge about these topics. Then we are covering census also. Then we will also be providing you monthly current affairs compilation which would be relevant especially for RBI Grade B exam. Then English is again very important, not to leave any stone unturned while preparing for English. It also contributes around 100 marks. In English we shall be covering essays, comprehension and praise through detailed videos. In these videos we shall give you some assignments also, and those assignments will have solutions also, and those solutions would also be in form of a video. We will also give you fodder material for the most probable essay topics to come in the exam, right? And many people are eager to solve mock tests once they have covered everything. So for those people, we will have 5 mock tests for ESI and 5 mock tests for FM, strictly as per RBI Grade B pattern, strictly to be given in the exam oriented environment. So here also, these are to be given almost at the end of your preparation, so that you gain confidence before the exam and you don't feel nervous while you go for the exam. Here also you will get All India rank, which will help you judge where you stand while preparing for RBI Grade B. What about strategy? As I said, strategy and smart work is very important. We shall be sharing a lot of topper interviews with you in your course. Like here you can see, like this, we would be sharing around strategy from 15 to 20 candidates who cleared last year with the help of our course. So you can listen to them, you can listen to their strategy, but do not follow it blindly. Every person has its own strategy, but at least you will get some pointers. Once you have those pointers, think about your strengths and weaknesses and make your own strategy. And then, of course, the expert faculty would be taking live sessions to guide you, to motivate you, to help you strategize, to clear your doubts, right? So we will be guiding you in every aspect. There would be live session conducted by Deepak sir, Anchit sir, me, and by Riti ma'am also. And we will also try to conduct more live sessions on phase 1 with the help of other faculty members who are particularly taking care of phase 1 and other things. Now, very important question which again would be coming to your mind is that, do you need to read anything outside the course? Well, as I told you, the course is very comprehensive. So my answer would be that you need not read anything. So answer is nothing. Do not read anything or read nothing outside the course. The key is that the course is very comprehensive. Cover everything from the course. Do not leave anything, and revision is the key. Try to revise the course 2 times at least, because you will not be able to retain so much data if you keep reading. So revision is very necessary, and practice is also necessary, because practice also helps you in retention, right? Now, what are the courses we are offering? These are the courses we are offering. You can visit our website www.edutab.co.in. And in case you have any queries, you can call us or email us. I'll provide you the details in the next slide. We are also running 20% discount on our courses. You can use the coupon code of 20 to avail those discounts. Okay. And since we have already started a 2019 course, many people are confused whether they should go for 2018 or 2019. See, it clearly depends upon the purpose. If you are aiming to give the exam in 2018, then you should go for 2018 course. You should not go for 2019 course if you are planning to give the exam in 2018, because 2019 course has its own schedule. In 2019 course, the lessons would be uploaded slowly as per schedule, and the static portion would be completed by December end, and current affairs will only start by January next year, because for 2019 course the current affairs we are putting in 2018 course would not be relevant. Okay, so in case you plan to give the exam in 2018, please do not go for 2019 course, as it is strictly meant for 2019 aspirants. And again, in case you have any query, please call us at 8146207241. I repeat, 8146207241. You can also email us at deepak@edutab.co.in, and in case you want to see our courses, you can visit our website www.edutab.co.in. Well guys, that's it. I think I have shared most of the details, and it's time for you to realize that the time is very less, though sufficient. You need to work very hard and smart. I repeat, do not just simply keep reading bulky books thinking that you will clear the exam. You need proper strategy and smart work, right? So thank you guys. Time is limited. Use it preciously, and best of luck. Many of you would be clearing RBI Grade B, and we would be very happy to see in RBI Grade B designation by next year. Thank you. Bye.